Hey everyone out in the YouTube world, it's Craig from Flying Wheels. Welcome to my Flying Wheels YouTube channel. If you guys love car stuff, this is the channel for you, so make sure you click subscribe down below. Well, I'm not at my car dealership like most of my videos. Today you'll notice the casino behind me and all the stuff above me. That is because I am at the amazing Las Vegas, the Venetian Resort, for two reasons. First reason is because this week is the N.I.A.D.A, National Independent Automotive Dealers Association. Got me out here to speak on Thursday about marketing for social media, marketing your car business on social media, which obviously if you're following my channel, you know that's what I do. So, I'm here for that reason. Today is day one. We just got here, woke up at 3 a.m. from Boston, took a flight out to Vegas. They're 3 hours behind, so I'm trying to catch up because it's morning to them and it's lunchtime for me. Well, registered already, VIP access. They gave me an awesome swag bag, big badge that gives me access to everything. So I'm here. I'm going to learn a little bit about what it's like to be a dealer, new stuff in the trade, all kinds of info all week long. So there's going to be a lot of content for you guys. Second reason I'm here is because if you've watched my videos, you'll know that I was on American Ninja Warrior last year and this year. So I was on the Baltimore episode of American Ninja Warrior this year. Well, they're filming the finals in Vegas right now. So the same week that I'm here doing the N.I.A.D.A, we're filming Las Vegas finals for American Ninja Warrior, so you get to follow me along with that experience as well. So let's get started. You gotta check out this room. Venetian. Oh, look at the size of this bathroom. Nicer than my bathroom at home. Even though by myself, I still get privacy. Hang on, it gets better. King size bed. What? Look at this little entertaining room I have to entertain myself in. It's the nicest room I've ever been in. Like I had said, N.I.A.D.A does take care of you. They give us some cool stuff. So here's this backpack, which is actually a pretty nice backpack. Got this as part of the VIP package. A tumbler. Let's see what else is in here. I got some books and magazines, car-related stuff. So this is show up at their booth and you'll get prizes. Dealer magazine, keys to Las Vegas. This is an incentive to stop by somebody's booth, so if I bring this, I could win a Yeti Rambler. They gave me a book, program guide for the week, another magazine, more incentives to stop by a booth, more incentives to stop by a booth. So, some pretty cool stuff, informative stuff for the week to get me going. I have a quiz for all of you movie buffs. What movie is this scene from? I'll give you a hint, there's a vacuum. So first one we're off to is Venetian Ballroom, which is our first timers reception. You get to see what it's all about. Let's go check it out. Right off the bat, I'm learning a little bit. So the guys behind me, TaxMax, will take your W-2, customer's W-2, and advance that amount of money to the dealer. So if I have a car, tax checks haven't come in yet, because usually customers want to come back when their money's in their account. Well, these guys will advance me their tax check, and then their tax money goes right to them to help you get the sale prior to tax money coming into your account. So pretty good services so far. So these guys behind me, ACV Auctions, will actually go to the new car stores, do full condition reports of their cars and auction them through their websites for us, so we can buy straight from the new car stores without having to go to the auction. They do have a buyer fee, but pretty good service, and they're all over the country. I have to say NIADA, N-I-A.D.A, treats you right, because I just got a knock on my door. Yeah, it's just a pint, but Broadly.com wants me to go to booth 530 to talk to them about whatever they have to offer tomorrow. And I've been getting emails and phone calls all week. So NIADA sends the vendors my info, which I'm here for a reason. So normally I don't want to be bothered by sales calls. Now I am getting sales calls and emails, but it's for a good reason. I'm here to be sold. So tell me what you have to offer. That's why I'm here. So it's pretty neat. So I just got this pint right here from Broadly.com. Visit booth 530. I'm definitely going to go visit them. Another one offered like free $25 if you go visit them. Another $50. I don't even know what they are, but I'm going to go see them. So those incentives work for me. So pretty neat so far. Long story long, day one is over. Not super productive. I didn't do a ton of car dealer stuff. I did have that reception where I got to meet a bunch of people. I met some good contacts. Gave my business card out. Not so much so I meet them long term, but maybe we can hook up all week long. So I meet some friends. We get to go out and then make relationships from there. So that was pretty neat. And the hotel's amazing. And there's just a lot of stuff going on. So day one. Again, not a ton of info for you guys, but stay tuned because there'll be a lot more all week. This is just the beginning. Now I'm off to American Ninja Warrior, Las Vegas. Shoots from like 8 p.m. to 5 a.m. So that's going to be all night now. We got that going on. Hey, so that's a wrap for tonight. My Uber's on its way. You can see the American Ninja Warrior course right behind me. Day one of Las Vegas. A success. I'm going to get some rest and really go at it tomorrow. That's it for tonight. So it's a little unconventional. It's not like my normal videos, but it's a different week. I'm trying to do something new, so you guys get to experience it all with me. Stay tuned to all week, because if I learn something, I'm going to pass it on. So all week long, I'm going to show you everything that I paid to learn for. Also, I'll have my panel that comes up Thursday that I speak. I'll put that up. So everything that I know, everything that I learn is being passed on all week long. It's pretty neat. So make sure to keep watching all week long. I'll try to keep posting videos. Thanks, everybody. I'll see you later. Adios.